If you're a nurse who spends all day putting out fires, here's how to make more money with less stress. Like, I used to get irritable every time I walked into the hospital because I knew what lay ahead of me. No matter how many times I brought up any issues up to management, they never got resolved. Their response to me was always like, oh, by the way, can you work overtime? But you know what? After 20 years of being hit with the same problems over and over and over again, you start to not care. And to be honest, I didn't like that version of myself who didn't care. I wanted out, but I didn't know what I could do until I started meeting other nurses who were doing amazing work as entrepreneurs. I was so impressed. I started my own podcast just so I could listen to what they were doing. Nurses were starting IV hydration clinics, med spas, content writing businesses, concierge nurse businesses, telehealth clinics, and integrative centers. And what I discovered is that it's not nearly as difficult as I thought it would be. If you're a nurse wanting to start your own business, check out my profile.